guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is another day in my life. It's been so cold, like you can see the fog. It's so cold. It's like 5 degrees, 6 degrees around here every day. So first things first, I'm going to eat my medicines. And I have to film reels because tomorrow I'm heading to Delhi and you can hear all the construction. It's so annoying. Yeah. So because now there's a little bit of sunlight, now I can do my skincare. So I have washed my face in the morning. By the way, all these products that I got are from Amazon. I'll link them in the description box below so you can go and check them out. Firstly, after my face is all clean, I'll generally go with this serum. Now this is the L'Oreal Revitalift serum that I'm using. So this hydrates my face. A lot of people, actually you guys also recommended me to use a micro essence like serum which has like hyaluronic acid in it. So this one has that. So I've just taken a little bit of it on my hands and then. So I've bought all these items from Amazon as I mentioned. Yeah. Next, you all already know by now that this product is my favorite. It's the aloe vera gel by Rus Luxury. I like such natural skincare, especially. I don't like to use products which have a lot of like chemicals in it. This is natural. This is good for my skin. And it smells so good as well. Next, for my chapped lips, I use some Vaseline on my lips. It keeps them hydrated. And I use this perfume from the Man Company to keep myself fresh. I've bought all these items from Amazon and will be linked in the description. A lot of you ask me about contact lenses, so I use this particular liquid. You can get it. It's linked in the description. So it's super easy to use, so you can use this as well. The Amazon Great Republic Day sale starts from January 15, but if you are a Prime member, then you can get early access and you can get access to the sale from January 14th. What are you waiting for? Go grab the offers right now. So guys, it's currently 1:31 p.m. and it's time for me to eat my lunch, and after that I have to write a short summary. So first we'll eat lunch and then we'll write that. So my mom made some paratha and some sabzi along with some chutney. I'll just eat this. Also time to upload my reel, so I'll just share it. By the way, you should follow this page as well. It's called Sam Study Station. This is my study page. There's a task that we have to do. It's to write a short news story summary. So I'm just like taking a newspaper and searching some news which I could find so that I can write the news story. I'm not a very good writer. Creative writing is not my like plus point, but speaking is. We have to speak that as well, so that's good. So here I am just writing my news article. Guys, it's so cold that my hands are like literally freezing, and while writing I cannot even write properly. What my handwriting looks like, it looks so bad. So here's the short summary. Here's the short summary that I have written. So I'll just read it once.
A few hours later.
Okay guys, so I have to tie this tie. Oh, it's so cold. It is literally so cold. I'm just going to try and tie this tie. I always like don't do it well in the end part. So guys, I haven't really done my assignment which I need to do, but I've got some jalebi over here. Very tasty. So guys, the project that I needed to do is done. Now I have to edit it, so I'll do that. But right now I'm eating some peanut butter and jelly sandwich because I'm hungry. By the way, I just called it peanut butter and jelly sandwich. It's peanut butter and jam sandwich. It's an American like traditional dish, I guess. That's why they call jelly, like they call jam jelly in America. That's why I almost said it but it's actually jam. Jelly is different. I was thinking about it and I was like, oh, by the way, just look at me, guys. I look so cool. I look like a professional, like CEO of a company. Oh yes, you do this. We have a turnover of $80,000 for this month. What have you been doing, Rachel? It's so cold out, so I got some grocery delivered. I'm gonna show you like a mini haul of what I got. So I firstly got this pizza base. Then my mom wanted some Tide, so I got this. Then of course I got Maggie, my favorite. My siblings eat Maggie all the time, so I got this big pack of Maggie. Then I got this Amul cheese. This is a mozzarella and cheddar cheese blend. Then I got poha because I wanted to eat poha for so long, but I did not have poha, so I got this. I can make poha, by the way, guys. I know how to make poha if I watch a video. I have made poha 2 times, 3 times, and it tastes very good. Then I got gajak. I love gajak in the winter time, so gajak and chikki, love it. Then I got some mayonnaise. This is the mayonnaise. This is the eggless mayonnaise by Viva. Then for some pav bhaji, I got this Bombay pav. And I also love vada pav now because, as you all saw in the previous video, if you watch the previous vlog, then you will know that I tasted vada pav and it tastes so good. I did not know about it, but now I know. Then I got this packet of Good Day biscuits. These are mini biscuits. So this is the namkeen pack by Bicano that we got. Then again we got this burger bun. We got like more biscuits. So this is the 50-50 biscuits. Oh, these are the masala ones. I'll just eat one right now just to taste it. It's like, it's actually so good. It's for only 10 rupees. This much pack, and it's so good. 50-50 sponsor me. Then I got these Nor soups. Lastly, I got this Maggi masala big pack because without Maggi masala I cannot live. It's so important in our lives. Maggi masala is a must for everybody, every Indian. If you're not even Indian, then try Magic Masala by Maggi. Your life will change forever. So now I have a train at 12. I have to go to Delhi tomorrow because my college has started, but I have to find the accommodation first. And so I'll look for accommodation tomorrow, so you'll see it in the next vlog probably. So yeah, I have to pack for Delhi right now. I'll show you that, and after that I'll go and board the train. So guys, these are all of my clothes that I'll wear. This is the jacket, and then these are the sweaters, and these are the jeans, and my dino sweatshirt, which my dad has said not to take. I don't know why, because I have gone in elite class. This is my suitcase, which I'm keeping all my clothes. By the way, I also got this from Amazon, so you can check it out. So this is my mini backpack in which I'll keep my laptop. Then I'll keep my iPad. Then this little mini notebook. This is my pencil box. I'll keep this comb. The charger for my laptop will also go in this. I'll not take my laptop to college, I think. Maybe I would. But at this point, I'll just keep it in my bag. So we're all ready now. It's time to head to Delhi. But I'll film the rest of this vlog on my mobile because I'm not taking my camera with me this time. I'm going to end the vlog right over here. I boarded my train. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram. It's at samraddhi. And also check out Sam's Steady Station. Subscribe for more videos and check out my shorts too. Goodbye.